Okay, so here we are with another update on my Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack Shaker. And what did I do today? I put on a RedEye spoiler. There it is. I've got a couple of videos showing me with the old spoiler and taking it off. It was a pretty easy job. Very easy job, actually. The old spoiler came off without much of a fight. Some people have had to really fight with the adhesive, but in my case, it just kind of came off pretty quickly. So it works perfect. It's got the camera in the back like it's supposed to. I think it looks great. Really gives the car a more aggressive look. I like it a lot. And it's not too expensive. You can get them for about 400 bucks if you shop around. And not hard to install. It's not hard to take the old one off. It's an OEM part. Let me know what you think of it. I think it really adds to the look of the car. That is the RedEye spoiler on my 2018 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack Shaker. And I still have some other mods. I've got some new wheels I'm going to put on it, and maybe one or two more things, and that'll probably be it, but I'll be telling you about those coming up pretty soon. But I think those will really give the car a unique look once I've got the wheels on and the other modification I'm thinking of, other couple of items I'm thinking about. Haven't decided yet, so I'm not going to tell you what I'm thinking about until I do it. Stay tuned. Let me know your comments, subscribe, like, dislike. Let me know what you think. Thank you.